Hi, you all. So today is your first day of interim assessments, and you are testing in social studies. Okay. So this week, we have a different schedule than normal. You have independent work time today, and you are testing this afternoon, similar to map testing schedule. Make sure you go to advisory today because your advisory teacher will tell you who you're testing with and what Google Meet to go to for your testing. Okay. Um, Science is not until Thursday, so we have 3 days of review. Today's our first day. So today is day one of I review, and our topic is force and motion. So our goal is to understand the three laws of motion, especially the second law of motion, mathematically and conceptually today. So our agenda is a do first, and then we're reviewing three laws of motion, and then focusing on Newton's second law of motion, and wrapping up with an exit ticket. So here's a preview you do first. Concepts of force and motion. So think of one concept of force and motion that you learned back in module 2 and type it out here. Remember, concepts are facts, not words, topics, or questions. Okay, so one example is force is a push or a pull. Okay, and then let me give you one preview of this activity that might be confusing for you that is focused on the second law of motion and practice on it mathematically. Here. So you have this worksheet called Zombie Hidden Message, and your riddle is, why was a zombie afraid to cross the road? So your job is to read these 9 problems, and you are to decide on what formula it matches on this side. Okay, so let's take a look at it. So the first one is, a student in the lunchroom threw a 0.5 kilogram burrito at a zombie. He accelerates the burrito at 3 meters per second. How much force did he use? So I'm going to use a red marker, and I am going to underline this. Okay, so 0.5 kilograms and 3 meters per second squared. So before I do that, I want to draw my force triangle. Force equals ma. Okay, so they give me 0.5 kilograms. That is a mass, 0.5. And 3 meters per second squared, that is acceleration. So write down 3 here. And force is the one that's needed. So to figure out force, all I have to do is take 0.5 times 3. So I have to take a look, find over here 0.5 times 3. 0.5 times 3 is right here. All I have to do is circle it. And if I want to do it right now, I can figure out this calculator. 0.5 times 3 0.5, whoops, 0.5 times 3 equals 1.5. If it's 1.5, it's 1.5 newtons. 1.5 newtons is right here. So I know that my S is right here. Okay, then I move on to number 2. Figure out the formula that it matches here, and then figure out the answer and place the matching letter down here to figure out the answer in the end of why was the zombie afraid to cross the road. After that, you have an exit ticket that will check to see whether you really understand your 3 laws of motion and how to calculate second law of motion. Good luck, you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.